Today I am going to try to verify the curved surface area of cone by using practical demonstration. Hope you will enjoy the process. We have a circle with radius 8 centimeters. Its area is pi r square, that is 64 pi centimeter square. Pi into 8 into 8, which is equals to 64 pi centimeter square. And circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi into 8, which is equals to 16 pi centimeters. I have divided this circle into 4 equal parts. Now let us make a cone out of this circle by moving in 1/4 of the circle. We see that only 3/4 are visible and 1/4 is hidden. So area of the cone is 3/4 of the area of the original circle. That is 3 by 4th of 64 pi. And circumference of this base of this cone is also 3/4 of the circumference of the original circle. That is 3 by 4th of 16 pi. Now radius of this base is 3 by 4th of 16 pi is equals to 2 pi r, which is equals to 12 pi is equals to 2 pi r. Therefore r is equals to 12 pi by 2 pi. R is 6 centimeters. Now we will make another cone by moving in 2/4 of circle. We can see only 2/4 are visible and the other 2/4 are hidden. So area of this cone is 2/4 of the area of the original circle. That is half of 64 pi. The circumference of this cone base, the circumference of the base of the cone is also 2/4 of the circumference of the original circle. That is half of 16 pi. Now radius of this cone is half of 16 pi is equals to 2 pi r. 8 pi is equals to 2 pi r. Therefore r is equals to 4 centimeters. Now let us systematically write down our observations. Original circle area is 64 pi. Radius is 8 centimeters. Area of the cone 1 is 3 by 4th of 64 pi. Radius is 6 centimeters. Area of cone 2 is half of 64 pi and radius is 4 centimeters. Now we can see that the one thing constant in these cones is the slant height. Even if I change the cone, the slant height is same. Slant height is same, which is nothing but radius of the original circle, which is constant. Now let us try to generalize the area of the cone. Area of the cone is nothing but the multiple of this constant slant height. slant height into some variable x is equals to area of the cone 1. L into some variable x is equals to area of the cone 3 by 4 of 64 pi. 8x is equals to 48 pi. Therefore, x equals to 6 pi. Let us take the next cone and do the same. Slant height into some variable y equals to area of the cone 2. This is area of cone 1, which is equals to 1 by 2 64 pi. 6y equals to 32 pi. Therefore, y equals to 4 pi. We observe that this is nothing but radius of the base of the cone 1, and this is nothing but radius of the base of the cone 2. According to our general formula, slant height into variable x equals to area. We have seen that here x equals to radius of base 1 into pi, and similarly y equals to radius base 2 into pi. Therefore, area of the cone is L into radius into pi. The formula for CSA of the cone is pi r L. Thank you, class.